Wagwan family, welcome back to Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice. In today's video, I am going to share with you how to make barbecue chicken in the oven, Jamaican style. First and foremost, big up Father God over here. So this is the chicken, and this is a 5-pound chicken. I'm going to cut it up in parts. Here, you just want to hold it like this and scrape it off. We're not eating this from the chicken, okay? Now, I'm going to wash the chicken with lime and vinegar. Now I'm going to season the chicken. 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon ginger powder, 2 tablespoons all-purpose seasoning, 2 tablespoons blend green seasoning, Now I'm going to put the chicken to marinate for 2 hours before I put it in the oven. Now it is already 2 hours since I put the chicken to marinate. Now I'm going to put them on the sheetrock and put them inside the oven. So I have the oven preheated at 375 degrees. I'm going to put the chicken inside for an hour and 15 minutes. Now I'm going to make the glaze. Here I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of butter to my saucepan. Allow it to melt. Now I'm going to add 1/3 cup brown sugar. 1 cup ketchup. 1 cup barbecue sauce. 1 cup orange juice. Going to add 1 pinch of black pepper. Now I'm going to allow the sauce to come to a boil. So it is 1 hour since the chicken in the oven. Now I'm going to take the chicken out of the oven, glaze it with the sauce and put it back inside the oven for 15 minutes. Okay, so after 1 hour, this is how the chicken them look. I'm going to glaze them with the sauce now. Now I'm going to put the chicken back inside the oven for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, the chicken is ready to serve. Now it is already 15 minutes. I'm going to take the chicken out of the oven. Look at this, my people. Jamaican style oven barbecue chicken, and this recipe could cook on the grill. Okay, same thing for the grill. It's just that it's not cooking in the oven, you're cooking on the grill. Okay, now I'm going to have this piece. Got that. It's so good. It's so flavorful, my people. Thank you so much to watch this video to the end. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I have a lot more recipe to share with you. See you in the next video. Peace out.
Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice. Yeah, the food is nice. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah, Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice.